Welcome back to Tech Time with T, guys. Today I have 2010 RAV4. We are actually going to do the brake jobs, the front rotors and brake pads. So today I will have a special guest. She actually working with me and actually going to do a hands-on, do the brake pads and the rotors. What you want to do first is lift up the car, and there's a 2 teeth there. You got to put a jack on the frame and just crank it up. That's what you're doing. Okay, go for it.
Like this?
Yeah, just gotta use this muscle, you know. Come on, you know why we're doing that. Just lift up the tires so we can kick up the tires. Need some help there?
I got it.
All right. Or you go to the gym or something here, you know.
How far do I go?
All right, let's stop right there. So for extra safety, you want to use this jack stand. So just put it here. So basically you want to put it here and just lift this up and push up. There you go. Let go. Yep. And that's all you need to do. In case the jack pressure goes down, then that thing's gonna catch it. So you don't have to damage your car. So the next step we want to do is to remove the tires. So the tire is up right now, and that is a 5 lug nut bolt. So we're using the power tool. So you just reverse it or forward. You want this one here, you want to reverse the bolt here. So read R on it and F. Okay? All you can do. You can have a feel with it. One there. When it's coming out, you gotta pull it out like at the same time. Put it under the car for another safety.
Right next to it.
That's fine. Yep.
So now T's telling me to start up the car and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right so that we can get access to the caliper and the rotors.
So we want to get to the axle or the rotors. You got to remove the calipers and the calipers bracket. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So basically what I do is take out the bolt for the calipers first, and then we go with the bracket.
Okay, now I'm going to remove the top caliper bolt for tech time with T. Now that's loose, I'm going to remove it by hand. Okay, now I'm going to remove the lower caliper bolt. Oh.
I think the ratchet is loose.
Yeah.
Was it? You already got it.
Yeah. Now that's loose, I'm going to remove it by hand.
So basically, once you take out the bolt and you just take out the caliper and put it on the crate. You don't want to hang in the. Go ahead, you can take it out.
Now I'm going to take the bracket bolt off.
So there's 2 of them. One's the top, one's the bottom.
Now I'm going to take the bottom bracket bolt off.
Okay. There you go.
Now we're going to remove the bracket. Okay, so now the bracket's off, I'm going to remove the rotor.
Slide right out.
Oh, there we go.
Wiggle it. There you go. So once before we put in the rotors back, we gotta press in the piston back to in, so that way you can put in the new brake pad in, and we have a special tool for it to press it in. Or if you don't have it, you can use the C-clamp. But C-clamp is a little harder, I think. So we have a special tool for it. It's about 20 bucks at Advanced Auto. So I recommend you to purchase one, and it should be easy for you to compress that back in.
Do this and then twist.
Exactly. Slowly you can keep going. Yep. Basically you're pressing the piston back in. When you press it in, that's why you want to take the cap out, the brake fluid cap for the reservoir, so it go in easy.
Yeah.
So basically this is what we did, which is put the old brake pad in, so it makes it more extensive to make it easier. So when it goes in, it actually balance. That's why it's easier to press it in. So you all set?
So you're just using this for support?
Yeah, for support, basically. That's what it is. So that way it's balanced when you press it in.
Okay.
So use the old brake pad. Okay. Now you just take it out. I'll just loosen it and just take it out. That's it. And so I can see it's pressed in all the way. It's even.
Okay.
So basically the rotor and the pad's going to be right here, sitting right there. So you push that in. Okay. So now that's pressed in. You're going to put in new rotors first. Okay. So you use what part is this? Brake parts cleaner. Spray down the surface of the rotors, because usually they have a protective oil. That's why you want to remove out the oil. That's what you're doing. So spray it, wipe it out. We're good to go.
Okay, now I'm going to install the rotors.
Yeah, there you go. So once you put the rotor in, so you want to put the bracket in. There's the 2 bolt, it's a bigger bolt, and it's for the bracket. That's what we're doing, what Amy's doing. So that's what. So install it. Align with the thing. So you put the 2 bolt in, top and bottom. Try both ways. Go in there. It's not aligned. Probably not aligned. It's fine. Go in there. There you go. That's it?
Yeah.
So tighten by your hand, and then now just put a really tight by 17mm socket and a ratchet. There you go. There you go.
Like this way. Okay.
Yep. Okay. The bracket you want to be really tight. Besides the bigger bolt too, so okay. Okay, perfect. That's in. This one. See it? Okay.
So like this.
Yep.
So this one's on the side.
Exactly.
Ready to go?
Hardware. They come with the pads.
So is it okay if it's touching it?
Like that? Just as long as this thing here. Actually, it fit right nice. Okay. Yep, it's fine. It's good. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to the side. Good. Good.
Okay. Go like this. Okay.
That's going to be the outside one.
Oh, this
Well,
is the
that's the
outside?
inside one. Well, let me make sure. Yep, let's go on the bottom. Slide right in. Yes. It's top here. Yeah. So what do you top? On the outside first?
So it should slide right in, right?
Yeah. Should.
Should.
So we put a slant and then slide right in for the pads. Everything here. And just slot the bottom first and then do the top. Put the bottom in. Almost there.
The camera.
There you go.
Okay, let's try it again.
Right. Try again, go ahead. Diagonal. Gotta try it as slow as possible. And then to the top. Slide right in. Perfect. Good job. Now the inside. Same way.
Yay!
So once they put the pads in, install the caliper back. So align with the bolt and put the 2 bolts in. Beautiful. Here's the bolt. Bottom bolt, align it. Shows a line. It's not aligned yet. Okay, align it. It's going in. Look at that. Like that. What is it? 14 millimeter socket. Okay, there you go. Top. You don't want to be too tough anyway on this, because just you're gonna strip it. So just nice and snug. Okay. Make sure it's tight enough. Easy tap. That. Just here. Up. We're good. Alright, so basically we got the calipers back on, the rotors, the bracket, the bolts tight, and now we want to straighten the wheels so we can put the tires back on. So go for it, Amy! Okay.
So now to line it up.
Line it up. And put there's the screws.
Should I use my feet?
There.
Like this?
Align. There you go. You want to put one in?
Yeah. This is the bottom?
Forward. So you want to tighten one lug nut. Now you can do the rest.
car.
Let's mount on this one. So basically what you want to do is like put the bolt back on, nice and easy, by your hand first before you tighten with the power tool. You want to strip the threads as well. A little bit.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. Good. See the tires? Take it down there. Go. So once you put on the brake pads and the tires back on, make sure you check your brake fluid reservoir. Make sure the levels are fine, and just put the cap back on before you pump the brake.
Oh, this smells so nice.
Make sure take out here, take a right, and take a left to the high school. Try to brake it, make sure it works.
Like abruptly braking?
After. When we go out there, then we can like pull over to the right. Some people like out there. Take a left here. A lot of cars today. Everybody's traveling. It's a nice day out. See, after the car is coming out,
Yeah.
try to pull to the side. Just make sure the brakes work, okay? Just blink your light, pull to the left. To the right. To the right.
Just off.
Yeah. How do you feel?
Good.
Any more squeaking noise, Amy?
No more squeaking noise. This is awesome.
You did it yourself too.
I don't have to feel embarrassed anymore every time when it squeaks. People are like looking over at me. Thanks for the experience, Steve. It was a really good opportunity to learn how to change my rotors and my brakes hands-on.
Thanks for watching with Tech Time with T. It was good experience with my apprentice. For 2010 Toyota RAV4, we did the brake pads and the rotors. Thank you for watching. Please review my videos, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. Thank you, and you have a great day. Thank you for coming by and being my apprentice.
No, thank you.